To access the fuel cap, which is located at the rear of the car, simply press the rear central part of the fuel flap. You'll feel a click and the flap will open. The fuel cap itself is attached to the vehicle, so there's no chance of it getting lost. There's also a handy holder, so the cap isn't in the way during refueling. When opening the filler cap, which is done by turning it to the left, there might be a sudden inrush of air, which causes a whooshing noise. This is perfectly normal and is due to a vacuum having been created in the system. Take the correct fuel type nozzle, ensure that it's inserted into the filler neck as far as it will go, and begin to refuel. In order for the fuel gauge to register the fuel, at least 5 litres needs to be added. Once refueling is completed, simply reverse the process. If you have a diesel model, you'll notice that there's another, smaller blue filler cap. This is the AdBlue filler cap. AdBlue is a solution used in diesel engines to considerably reduce atmospheric pollution. It does this by transforming 85% of nitrogen oxide, or NOx, into harmless steam and water. Your vehicle has a 15 to 17 litre capacity AdBlue tank. When it's time to refill, there'll be a warning on your dashboard display. It's really important that this is not left unattended until the final warning. It's essential to top up as soon as possible and before the tank is completely empty. Otherwise, it will not be possible to restart the engine after the next stop. Fortunately, topping up with AdBlue does not need to be done anywhere near as frequently as fuel, and it comes with a full tank at handover. Nevertheless, it is very easy to do. In fact, it's exactly the same as filling up with fuel.
Citroën.